The future of sustainable living, innovations and practices. Introduction. Sustainable living is becoming increasingly crucial as we face environmental challenges and resource limitations. Innovations in technology and practices are paving the way for a more sustainable future. This topic explores the latest advancements and practical steps individuals and communities can take to live more sustainably. Technological innovations in sustainability. 1. Renewable energy sources. Advances in solar, wind, and hydroelectric power are making renewable energy more accessible and efficient. 1. Innovations like solar panel technology improvements and offshore wind farms are leading the way. 2. Smart grids and energy storage. The development of smart grids allows for better management of energy distribution, while advancements in energy storage, such as battery technology, enable more reliable use of renewable energy sources. 3. Eco-friendly building materials. Innovations in construction materials, like sustainable timber, recycled metal, and eco-friendly concrete, are reducing the environmental impact of new buildings and renovations. Sustainable practices for daily living. 1. Zero-waste lifestyle. Adopting a zero-waste lifestyle involves reducing, reusing, and recycling materials to minimize waste. 1. Strategies include using reusable containers, composting, and choosing products with minimal packaging. 2. Green transportation. Embracing green transportation options such as electric vehicles, biking, and public transit reduces carbon footprints and promotes environmental sustainability. 3. Sustainable food choices. Incorporating locally sourced, organic, and plant-based foods into your diet can significantly reduce environmental impact. 3. Sustainable agriculture practices also contribute to healthier ecosystems. Community initiatives and collaboration. 1. Urban agriculture. Community gardens and urban farming initiatives promote local food production, reduce food miles, and enhance community engagement. 1. These projects can also improve urban green spaces and support biodiversity. 2. Waste reduction programs. Municipal and community-based waste reduction programs, such as recycling drives and composting initiatives, help manage waste more effectively and encourage sustainable practices. 3. Collaborative consumption. Sharing resources, such as car-sharing services, tool libraries, and community exchanges, reduces the need for individual ownership and promotes more efficient use of resources. The role of policy and education. 1. Government policies. Effective environmental policies and regulations are essential for driving large-scale sustainability efforts. 1. Governments can incentivize green practices, set emissions targets, and support renewable energy projects. 2. Educational programs. Incorporating sustainability education into school curricula and community programs raises awareness and equips individuals with the knowledge to make informed choices. 3. Corporate responsibility. Businesses play a critical role in sustainability by adopting eco-friendly practices, reducing carbon footprints, and supporting sustainable supply chains. The future outlook as technology and practices continue to evolve. The future of sustainable living holds promise for a more resilient and harmonious relationship between humans and the environment. By staying informed and engaged with innovations and adopting sustainable practices, we can contribute to a healthier planet for future generations. Conclusion. Sustainable living is a dynamic and evolving field, with advancements and practices continually reshaping our approach to environmental stewardship. Embracing technological innovations, adopting practical sustainability measures, and supporting community and policy initiatives are key to creating a more sustainable future. Chapter 2. Advancements in Sustainable Technology. Innovative Renewable Energy Solutions. 1. Solar technology. Recent advancements in solar panel efficiency and the development of transparent solar panels are expanding the potential applications of solar energy in urban environments and on various surfaces. 2. Wind energy innovations. New designs for wind turbines, including vertical axis turbines and floating wind farms, are enhancing the efficiency and scalability of wind energy. 3. Hydrokinetic energy. Innovative hydrokinetic devices, which harness energy from moving water currents, are emerging as a viable option for generating renewable energy in rivers and ocean currents. Breakthroughs in energy storage. 1. Next generation batteries. Developments in solid-state batteries and flow batteries promise increased energy density, longer life cycles, and faster charging times, improving the viability of renewable energy storage. 2. Grid-scale storage solutions. Large-scale energy storage systems, such as pumped hydro storage and large-scale flywheels, are being implemented to balance supply and demand and enhance grid stability. Sustainable agriculture technologies. 1. Vertical farming. Vertical farming techniques utilize stacked layers of crops in controlled environments, maximizing space and reducing resource use while increasing food production in the urban areas. 2. Precision agriculture. Advanced technologies like drones, sensors, and AI-driven analytics help optimize farming practices by monitoring crop health, soil conditions, and resource usage. Chapter 3. Sustainable living in urban environments. Green building practices. 1. Energy-efficient design. Incorporating passive solar design, high-performance insulation, and energy-efficient windows into building plans reduces energy consumption and lowers utility costs. 2. Green roofs and walls. Green roofs and living walls provide insulation, reduce urban heat islands, and improve air quality while creating green spaces in dense urban areas. Urban mobility solutions. 1. Bike sharing programs. Expanding bike sharing systems and improving bike infrastructure supports sustainable urban transportation and reduces reliance on motor vehicles. 2. Electric public transit. The adoption of electric buses and trams in public transit systems reduces emissions and improves air quality in cities. Waste management and recycling. 1. Advanced recycling technologies. Innovations in recycling technologies, such as chemical recycling and automated sorting systems, increase the efficiency of waste processing and the recovery of valuable materials. 2. Waste-to-energy solutions. Facilities that convert waste into energy through processes like anaerobic digestion or incineration with energy recovery contribute to waste reduction and energy generation. Chapter 4. The role of consumer behavior in sustainability. Eco-friendly consumer choices. 1. Sustainable fashion. Choosing clothing made from organic or recycled materials and supporting ethical fashion brands contribute to reducing the environmental impact of the fashion industry. 2. Green product certifications. Look for certifications such as Energy Star, Fair Trade, or organic labels to make informed choices about the products you purchase. The impact of minimalism. 1. Decluttering and simplification. Embracing minimalism involves reducing material possessions and focusing on quality over quantity, leading to lower resource consumption and waste generation. 2. Mindful consumption. Practicing mindful consumption means making deliberate choices about purchases and prioritizing sustainability and ethical considerations. Educating and inspiring others. 1. Community outreach. Engage in community outreach to raise awareness about sustainable practices and inspire others to adopt eco-friendly behaviors. 2. Social media and advocacy. Use social media platforms to share information, advocate for sustainability initiatives, and connect with like-minded individuals and organizations. Chapter 5. Sustainable Development and Future Trends. Global Sustainable Development Goals. 1. United Nations SDGs. Explore how the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, guide global efforts towards sustainability, addressing issues such as poverty, clean water, and climate action. 2. Local and regional initiatives. Examine how local and regional sustainability initiatives align with global goals and contribute to creating a more sustainable future. Future trends in sustainable living. 1. Circular economy. The circular economy model focuses on designing products and systems that minimize waste and maximize resource use through recycling, reuse, and remanufacturing. 2. Biomimicry. Biomimicry involves drawing inspiration from natural systems and organisms to create innovative solutions that address environmental challenges and promote sustainability. Building resilient communities. 1. Community resilience planning. Develop strategies to enhance community resilience to environmental and social challenges, such as climate change, resource scarcity, and economic fluctuations. 2. Collaborative solutions. Foster collaboration between governments, businesses, and communities to address sustainability challenges and implement effective solutions. Chapter 6. Personal responsibility and empowerment, taking individual action. 1. Personal sustainability practices. Adopt personal sustainability practices such as reducing energy consumption, conserving water, and minimizing waste in daily life. 2. Advocacy and activism. Get involved in advocacy and activism efforts to support sustainability policies and raise awareness about environmental issues. Empowering future generations. 1. Education and engagement. Educate and engage young people in sustainability practices and environmental stewardship through school programs, extracurricular activities, and community projects. 2. Mentorship and leadership. Mentor and support the next generation of leaders and innovators in sustainability to drive positive change and inspire future efforts. Conclusion. The future of sustainable living is shaped by a combination of technological innovations, practical practices, and personal actions. By staying informed about advancements, embracing sustainable practices, and actively participating in community and global efforts, individuals and communities can contribute to a more sustainable and resilient world. Chapter 7. Innovations in Sustainable Food Systems, Alternative Protein Sources. 1. Plant-based proteins. Explore the rise of plant-based protein products, such as those made from peas, soy, and lentils, which offer sustainable alternatives to traditional animal proteins. 2. Cultured meat. Learn about lab-grown or cultured meat technologies, which aim to reduce the environmental impact of meat production by growing animal cells in a controlled environment. Urban agriculture and food production. 1. Hydroponics and aquaponics. Delve into hydroponic and aquaponic systems, which use soilless methods and integrated fish farming to grow food efficiently in urban environments. 2. Community-supported agriculture, CSA. Understand the benefits of CSA programs, which connect consumers directly with local farmers, supporting sustainable agriculture and reducing food miles. Food waste reduction. 1. Food recovery programs. Examine initiatives and technologies designed to recover and redistribute surplus food, reducing waste and addressing food insecurity. 2. Home composting. Learn about home composting techniques for turning kitchen scraps and yard waste into valuable compost for gardens, reducing landfill waste and enriching soil. Chapter 8. Sustainable water management, water conservation techniques. 1. Efficient irrigation systems. Discover advancements in irrigation technology, such as drip irrigation and smart irrigation systems, that optimize water use in agriculture and landscaping. 2. Water-saving fixtures. Explore the impact of water-efficient fixtures and appliances, such as low-flow faucets, showerheads, and toilets, on reducing household water consumption. Innovations in water recycling. 1. Greywater systems. Learn about greywater recycling systems that reuse water from sinks, showers, and washing machines for irrigation and other non-potable uses. 2. Desalination technologies. Examine advancements in desalination technologies that convert seawater into freshwater, providing solutions for water-scarce regions. Protecting water resources. 1. Watershed management. Understand the importance of watershed management practices in protecting and restoring natural water systems and ensuring sustainable water supply. 2. Pollution prevention. Explore strategies for preventing water pollution, including proper disposal of chemicals, reducing runoff, and supporting cleanup efforts. Chapter 9. Sustainable fashion and textile industry. Eco-friendly materials. 1. Organic and recycled fibers. Discover the benefits of using organic cotton, hemp, and recycled polyester in clothing production, reducing the environmental impact of textile manufacturing. 2. Innovative fabrics. Learn about cutting-edge materials, such as biofabricated textiles and algae-based fabrics, that offer sustainable alternatives to conventional fabrics. Ethical fashion practices. 1. Fair trade and ethical production. Examine the principles of fair trade and ethical production, which prioritize fair wages, safe working conditions, and environmental sustainability in the fashion industry. 2. Circular fashion. Explore the concept of circular fashion, which focuses on designing for longevity, repairability, and recyclability, minimizing waste and extending the life cycle of garments. Consumer awareness and action. 1. Making informed choices. Learn how to make informed fashion choices by supporting sustainable brands, understanding product labels, and reducing impulse buying. 2. Clothing recycling and upcycling. Discover ways to recycle or upcycle old clothing items, turning them into new garments or accessories and reducing textile waste. Chapter 10. Sustainable business practices. Corporate responsibility. 1. Environmental impact reduction. Explore strategies for businesses to reduce their environmental footprint, including energy efficiency, waste reduction, and sustainable sourcing. 2. Social responsibility. Learn about corporate social responsibility (CSR) initiatives that focus on ethical practices, community engagement, and positive social impact. Sustainable supply chains. 1. Green supply chain management. Understand the principles of green supply chain management, which aim to minimize environmental impact through sustainable procurement, logistics, and production processes. 2. Supplier transparency. Examine the importance of transparency in supply chains, ensuring that suppliers adhere to ethical and environmental standards. Innovative business models. 1. B corporations. Discover the concept of B corporations, which are certified for meeting high standards of social and environmental performance, accountability, and transparency. 2. Sharing economy. Explore the sharing economy model, which promotes the sharing of goods and services to reduce waste and increase resource efficiency. Chapter 11. The intersection of technology and sustainability. Smart cities and sustainable urban development. 1. Smart infrastructure. Learn about smart infrastructure technologies, such as intelligent transportation systems and energy-efficient buildings, that contribute to sustainable urban development. 2. Urban green spaces. Explore the role of green spaces, parks, and urban forests in enhancing city resilience, improving air quality, and providing recreational areas. Artificial intelligence and sustainability. 1. AI for environmental monitoring. Discover how artificial intelligence is used to monitor environmental conditions, predict natural disasters, and analyze climate data to support sustainability efforts. 2. Optimizing resource use. Examine how AI technologies are applied in optimizing resource use, such as in agriculture, energy management, and waste reduction. Blockchain for transparency. 1. Supply chain tracking. Explore how blockchain technology is used to improve transparency and traceability in supply chains, ensuring ethical practices and sustainability. 2. Carbon credit trading. learn about the role of blockchain in carbon credit trading, facilitating the buying and selling of carbon credits to support emission reduction initiatives. Chapter 12. Global Collaboration for Sustainability, International Agreements and Initiatives. 1. Paris Agreement. Understand the goals and commitments of the Paris Agreement, an international treaty aimed at combating climate change and limiting global temperature rise. 2. Global Green Initiatives. Explore global initiatives such as the UN Environment Programme, UNEP, and the Global Green Growth Institute, GGGI, that promote sustainable development worldwide. Cross-sector collaboration. 1. Public-private partnerships. Examine the role of public-private partnerships in advancing sustainability goals, fostering innovation, and implementing large-scale projects. 2. Collaborative research and innovation. Discover how collaboration between research institutions, businesses, and governments drives innovation in sustainable technologies and practices. Local and global advocacy. 1. Grassroots movements. Learn about grassroots movements and community-based organizations that advocate for environmental protection, social justice, and sustainability. 2. Global campaigns. Explore global campaigns and initiatives that raise awareness, mobilize action, and drive policy changes for a more sustainable future. Conclusion. Sustainable living encompasses a wide range of topics, from technological innovations and sustainable practices to global collaborations and individual actions. By staying informed about advancements, embracing new practices, and actively participating in sustainability efforts, we can contribute to creating a more resilient and harmonious world for current and future generations.